AI isn't just helping with your job, it's starting to become part of your job. Not everything, not overnight, but the shift has started. In the near future, more and more knowledge work will be handled by AI, answering emails, drafting legal contracts, researching case law, translating documents, creating pitch decks, writing code, making ad copies, tasks that used to take hours or a whole department now take minutes. And it's not just the low-skill roles. Junior lawyers, paralegals, customer support, marketing assistants, even entry-level coders. Anywhere the work is structured and repeatable, AI moves in. Not because it's brilliant, but because it's fast, and improving scarily fast. Today it's good enough, but next quarter it might be better than average, and in most cases, that's all companies need. Ignore the shift, and you risk becoming the manual part in an automated world. So, what does that mean for the rest of us? You still have a job, but it's not the same one. The nature of work changes. Less doing, more reviewing. You don't write the report. You edit it. You don't create the layout. You pick from 3 AI-generated ones and tweak the colors. You don't find the answer. You ask a better question. People still spend hours in meetings to decide what to do. Meanwhile, your AI already did it and wrote the recap. And that's just one example, because when AI handles the doing, what's left is deciding. And maybe you're doing your part 2 or 3 days a week instead of 5. Because when 80% of the work takes 5% of the time, the rest doesn't need 40 hours. It's not about being busier, it's about being sharper. And when the repetitive parts disappear, something else opens up. More time to think, explore, and invent. To be strategic or creative, or finally, on top of your inbox. The future of work isn't robots in cubicles. It's invisible systems doing the background noise, while you decide what matters, what's missing, and what's next.